Namaste. So today I think Amazon decided to change their strategy, and instead of sending me only one books, they seem to have sent me more than one. At least from the thickness and the weight, I can say that it's more than one. So let's check it out. Sorry for the messy opening, but they had sealed it really well. Okay. So these are the two missing 100 magnificent mandalas. Okay, but they are also the Spanish version. So again, I'm very disappointed. I don't know what. I do remember very clearly that I had selected the English versions, and I know it doesn't matter because these are just coloring books. But the point being is that if I have specifically selected English version, then I should have got the English version. So anyways, so let's see, do they tell which part is this? Okay, so in this one they have mentioned that it is the volume 2, so I'm guessing this is volume 1. It's not mentioned, so only for volume 2 they have mentioned. I will not do a real page by page flip through, and we'll just, again, as I had pointed out in the previous one, right, the images are stock images. So let's just do a quick flip through. These are quite small. I would have preferred them to be a bit bigger. I don't know if they have adjusted the size of the image to fit into the page, but because of that, some of the mandalas are like the coloring space has become quite narrow. Yeah, so some of them are too intricate for me, I think so. It would be difficult to color them individually, the spaces. Like, you will have to probably take a whole uh, area and just color them with one a single color, even if there are lines inside. I usually like to segregate per space, but probably not possible. So this one is the volume 2. So let's, it looks like the volume 2 is the best of the three lots. Oh, I spoke too soon. this being on Amazon paper, markers will be a bit difficult even on those designs which do uh, have the space enough, wide enough to be colored with markers, simply because the markers will spread beyond control. So you won't be able to control the space in which you need the color to be retained. I tried it on one of them and it did not work. So it will be either for pictures like this, fine tip, or like this, maybe gel colors, and these ones maybe pencils. So but if any of you do have these books and you have tried it with markers, do let me know, because seriously, I mean, if I have to color a book with 100 designs and all of them to be with pencils, it would take 100 years to finish it. So I like these ones. These ones are so nice, clear cut, spacious, and not too complicated. Yeah, I think people who love mandalas should love this book. All the three volumes, for that matter. I'll put a link for all the three volumes, though I have done a flip through only for two in this one. The third one is there in my playlist. You can look under uh, flip through playlist and you can find the video there. I will check if I have not yet posted that video, then I'll try to put both the videos on the same day just to have them all together. This is very nice, very simple and easy to color, which is exactly my goal when I like to color. It's not that I don't like complicated, but most of the days I really don't have a patience for that. So that's it. And at the end they have their other books which we already saw in the other video for the volume 3, and this is printed in Poland, these two volumes. So that was it, and I hope you liked these ones. I liked almost all of them. A few of them are a bit too intricate for me, but yeah, I will color them. They are nice. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.